Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can add a new system in the ADT. So here is so how we can add a new system like QA or something. So first thing you have to do is file, click on new, okay, and then you click on ABAP projects. Okay, the moment you do this, you will see loading system configuration. This may take some time based on your system RAM and all those things, but eventually it will come up, and from there you can choose which system you want to choose. Okay, so this is the way you can do it. Okay, so if you see, it's taking some time, but eventually it will show up. Um, Load system configuration, and once it shows up, I'll show you. In the meantime, if something has been open, it will be staying there, and sometimes you might have to say you have to again log in with the user ID password because the session has expired. So here you can see these are the different systems that is there available. Okay, now here if you want to see stuff, you can. So I don't know about this new system connection. Here you can give new system, same way you define application servers and all those things, you can do it from here also. Okay, so it's just like the SAP logon pad, how you define. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it. And have a great Sunday.